Texans are calling for accountability following massive statewide power outages.
Just hours ago, ERCOT's chair, vice chair, and 3 other board members who all live out of state announced they intend to resign. ERCOT is the nonprofit that manages the state's power grid.
Now the Travis County District Attorney is investigating whether anyone will face criminal charges in the fallout. KXAN's Avery Travis has the latest.
However cold it is outside, that was the temp inside your home. So it's like teeth chattering cold.
It's a memory Stephanie Harris documented in her journal as she sat in a cold, dark house for hours. At one point, though, she put down her pen to, like so many others, type this message: who will be held accountable?
They need to take this as a true learning lesson and get down to the nitty-gritty and say, let's see how we can prevent what happened ever happen again.
It's not enough to say we'll do better next time. The legislature's in the business of preventing next time from occurring. We need to go back and find justice for the wrong that was committed last week.
San Antonio Representative Trey Martinez Fisher says looking back is a job for law enforcement. So he sent a letter to the Travis County District Attorney asking Jose Garza to investigate whether any financial crimes or negligence was committed by ERCOT, the Public Utility Commission, the Railroad Commission, or the private energy sector.
And we will do everything we can to hold powerful actors whose action or inaction may have led to this suffering accountable.
Garza says his Public Integrity and Complex Crimes Division is hard at work, but couldn't offer any specifics.
Lives were lost, homes were lost, and it will take weeks, months, and in some cases years for people to be made whole again.
But it shouldn't have had to come to that.
Avery Travis, KXAN News.
Today, Governor Greg Abbott said he welcomed the 5 resignations of ERCOT leadership, but vowed to continue to investigate what went wrong with power and infrastructure failures during these storms.
The Texas legislature will take up hearings on ERCOT and the winter storm response this week. Thursday, the House State Affairs and Energy Resources Committees will hold a joint public hearing, and they'll be investigating the cause of the blackouts and why it took so long to restore power. In the Texas Senate, the Business and Commerce and Jurisprudence Committees will hold hearings as well. And those will look at the legal implications on the part of ERCOT and the Public Utility Commission.
Governor Abbott is scheduled to deliver a televised statewide address tomorrow. His office says he'll talk about the widespread power outages and the state's ongoing recovery efforts after the winter storms. We'll air his remarks live tomorrow during KXAN News at 6.
Water use restrictions put in place by Austin Water will be lifted at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. This means along with laundry and washing dishes, you'll be able to water your lawn and wash your car. The boil water notice for Northwest and Southwest Austin ended today. The water has been deemed safe and clean across the city of Austin.